Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace your mountain bike pedals. It is a very simple task to do, it doesn't take long, and you could do it yourself alone at home without the need of a specialist. Without further ado, let's get going. To fit and remove the pedals, we will be needing the following tools: a 15mm spanner, an 8mm Allen tool, and of course, the pedals themselves. You should add a little bit of grease for the threads before installing them, but since mine came already pre-greased, I will be skipping this step. Very important, the pedals are left and right specific. You have to make sure to get the correct one for the correct side. If you're unsure, pedals often have an L or an R printed on the pedal axle. Left and right pedals have opposite threads, so understanding the thread direction is crucial for this task. As you could see, I hope that camera focuses, we have an R here on the right pedal, and then we have an L here for the one which we'll be using on the left. Before starting the process, place the bike against the wall, use a bike stand, or whatever is convenient for you. In my case scenario, I just placed the bicycle upside down, so it's gonna give me a lot of space to work on it. Easier for me at least. Let's start by removing the old ones. Okay, this is the right side, so I'll be choosing the correct one, right side. Like I said, mine came pre-greased. In the eventuality you need to do so, use any sort of grease. You can get it from the local hardware store, and that should be doing the job. Very important to put this carefully so it doesn't cross the threads, because afterwards it's gonna be very difficult to remove them again when you'll need to clean it or anything like. Okay, these specific pedals came actually with an Allen tool, so the spanner is no longer needed. You don't need to make it too tight. I don't have a torque wrench, but I'll be just trying to use as much as I can. Okay, that's it. Super. Let's get on with the next one. Again, using the spanner to remove the old one. Don't need to use a lot of force though. Come out quite easily. So, off with the old one. In with the new one. Again, it's very important to start slowly and to make sure that it goes smoothly. Get the Allen key. Again, not too tight. Right. And here we have it. I hope you guys find this video useful. Please give it a like, subscribe if you have not already done so, and see you guys in the next one.